Luke with Feuling Parts here to showcase our new vented dipstick for the Milwaukee 8-baggers. Some of you may have experienced oiling system issues with the Milwaukee 8 engine, and although I feel we've addressed that very well with our oil pump and cam plate, we've increased the scavenge volume with combined passages and larger gear sizes by 42%, and then we're also sending 68% more oil to the connecting rod, bearing, and crankshaft. But what we have found, and especially in the larger cubic inch engines, I would say, these engines are marginal at best as far as the cavity sizes on the inside. These are a closed system between the crankcase and the oil tank, and there's nowhere for the pressure to be relieved. And we start going to the bigger bore sizes, the larger strokes, and you get an excessive buildup of pressure. And so by creating this vented dipstick, we're allowing that pressure to be released. Nice billet dipstick machined where we've got the oil lines for hot Jiffy stand oil level, and then also standing straight up if you're going to check the oil on the motorcycle lift or a stand. It's a screw-on cap. We've got a breather set up in here where we've got a filter element. We've got a perforated plate with an umbrella valve, and that umbrella valve allows the pressure to be released, and it keeps the oil inside the oil tank and relieves the pressure. The cap screws on. When you thread the cap on, we like you to use a little Loctite 545 on the threads. We also include a small set screw in it, which helps lock the dipstick in place. As far as the cap, it also allows you to clock the cap one direction or another if you'd like to get the fitting in a certain place. We also include a wrench flat machined into the dipstick itself, so it allows you to tighten the cap and or loosen it if you want to service it. We have two styles or options as far as venting. This one here is a coupler fitting, where we include a line with a crankcase element. This coupler fitting works just like your standard air hose with a quick disconnect. Makes it really quick and easy, and it's a clean looking fitting, but allows you to check your oil level. One thing to note is this billet dipstick does get hot, so something that you're going to want to have with you is a glove when you're checking your oil. We also include little cleaner breather elements, just plain a filter element that threads in place of this coupler. However, on engines with extreme leak down and blow by through the rings and cylinders, you may see slight oil misting on this, which is why you may want to opt for the line version. Both options are included in the kit. This bike already has it installed. You see right here we've got it ample enough room to get on and off the dipstick. And we routed on the inside frame rail. We want to see the line go up and down in a looping fashion. We route it up here by the ABS unit and the battery. We follow the inside of the frame rails to keep it nice and clean. And then we give you enough line so that you can route the line or route the crankcase element and fit it up underneath the engine and transmission area, so that you can keep it all nice and hidden and clean. Okay, we're going to do the final install on the dipstick in this Milwaukee 8-bagger. Kind of self-explanatory. We're going to remove the stock dipstick. Then we're going to install the Feuling vented billet dipstick. We have the coupling fitting installed, so we're going to use the line. Remember that we have the little Allen head set screw here that allows you to clock the cap if you like. You're also going to want to make sure that that's nice and tight so that the cap doesn't unscrew when you remove the dipstick. And then we've got the coupler fitting. And there you have it. It's nice and clean. Or the dipstick's available in a black finish and or polished finish.